Hi, everyone. Welcome to Mortgage Branch Partners. This is me, Randy, here again. Today, we're diving into the importance of creating compelling video content for social media. We'll cover everything from planning your strategy to making your videos mobile friendly. Let's get started. First of all, plan your strategy, define your goals. First, identify what you want to achieve with your video, whether it's brand awareness or lead generation. Understand your target audience and their preferences. Research and brainstorm. Analyze competitors' videos for inspiration. Brainstorm creative ideas that align with your brand's identity. Make sure the 15 first seconds count. Hook your audience. Grab attention immediately with eye catching visuals or intriguing questions. Highlight your main value proposition within the first few seconds to keep viewers engaged and interested in what you have to offer. Build credibility. Showcase expertise. Establish trust by showcasing testimonials, case studies, or expert interviews. Ensure the information you present is accurate and reliable, helping to build your credibility and authority in the field. Add subtitles, accessibility and engagement. Subtitles to make your videos accessible to a broader audience. Subtitles not only aid in understanding, but also keep viewers engaged, even in noisy environments or when even the sound is off. You also need to create a script, structure, and clarify. Outline a clear script with a beginning, middle, and end. Focus on concise and engaging dialogue to ensure your message is clear and captivating through the entire video. Focus on storytelling and connect emotionally. Craft a compelling story that resonates with your audience. Use relatable characters or scenarios to make your message memorable and emotionally engaging. Create a deeper connection with your viewers. Include a call to action that drives engagement. Clearly state what actions you want viewers to take, such as visiting your website or subscribing to your channel. Make your call to action direct and easy to follow, encouraging immediate viewers' engagement. Make your videos mobile friendly. Ensure your videos are vertical or in a square format. Better mobile viewing, use larger text and simple visuals to enhance the experience of mobile users. Conclusion. To create effective social media video content, plan your strategy, engage viewers quickly, build credibility, and make your videos mobile friendly. Remember, creating an impactful video takes time and effort. Continuously monitor performance and make improvements based on analytics. Ready to boost your mortgage business? Start implementing these tips today and watch your social presence boost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. And if you're looking for additional resources or personalized advice, visit my website. Let's take your mortgage business to the next level together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Happy filming.